Today we are going to prepare a toasted crayfish sandwich with diced tomatoes and thyme. The ingredients are crayfish, calculate 2 per person, bread, tomatoes and thyme. If thyme isn't in season, then you can use frozen thyme. Let's begin by dicing the tomatoes. First we need to clean them. Take the tomatoes and cut an X into the bottom like this and place them in boiling water for about 30 seconds. Then we'll put them in ice water and the thermic shock will help us to remove the skin quickly and easily. Once they've cooled off, we'll remove the skin like this. Now we'll cut it into 4 parts and remove the seeds. After which we'll dice it. First by cutting it into slices and then into cubes. Now let's clean the crayfish. Let's remove the head, the shell and the tail. After which we'll remove the intestine which runs along the back. Now let's fill our sandwiches. Once the crayfish are clean, we'll chop them like this. Add some salt, pepper and extra virgin olive oil and a couple of thyme leaves. And now let's fill our sandwiches. We'll toast the bread in extra virgin olive oil, and in the meantime we'll dress our tomatoes with a touch of oil, salt, pepper, and thyme. Now let's fry our sandwiches. And once they are golden brown, we'll flip them over, place them on some paper towels to remove the excess oil, cut them, they are nice and crunchy, and we'll serve them accompanied by the fresh tomato salad, which will contrast nicely with the taste of the crayfish sandwiches. Buon appetito!